Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the quadratic equations exercise 1.1 from Punjab textbook board class 10th. Before starting the questions and solutions, we will discuss about the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation actually is the equation in which the higher degree or the degree of the expression is 2. Okay, this is known as the quadratic equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. And this second one is that ax square plus c is equals to 0, means the equation in which the value of b is equals to 0 is known as the pure quadratic equation. Okay, now move to question number 1. Write the following in standard form and point out the pure quadratic equations. Okay, my dear students, now we have the three parts. Part number 1, x plus 7 into x minus 3 is equals to minus 7. We will convert this equation in the standard form of quadratic equation. So for this we will multiply x with this bracket, means x into x square, x minus 3 into minus 3x, 7 into x plus 7x, 7 3s are minus 21, and we will write the inverse of minus 7 from right hand side to left hand side. Now we will combine the like term values. X square will be written as it is: 7x minus 3x equals to 4x, 21 plus 7 equals to minus 21 plus 7 equals to minus 14. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation, because in this equation the value of a, b and c are given. So this is the standard quadratic form. Part number 3, x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x equals to 6. We will convert this equation in the form of quadratic equation standard form or the pure form, which will be easy, means which will be possible. First of all, to remove the denominator, we will take the LCM of the denominator. There are two denominator values, x and x plus 1. So we will multiply each and every term of the equation by x into x plus 1 on both sides. So after multiplication, x plus 1 will be cancelled by x plus 1 and x will cancel by x. So we will get x into x square. These are the similar values. So x plus 1 whole square is equals to 6x into x plus 1. So remove this bracket by using the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we will multiply 6x by x plus 1. We will get 6x square plus 6x. Now combine x square plus x square equals to 2x square, 2x plus 1, and we will write the inverse of these two values to the left hand side. Minus 6x square minus 6x. So we will combine 2x minus 6x equals to minus 4x, 2x minus 6x square means equals to minus 4x square, plus 1 equals to 0. To make it the standard form, we will multiply the equation by minus 1, because in standard form there is no negative value. So we will multiply this equation by minus 1 and we will get 4x square plus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. This is also the standard form because all three values are present. Now part number 4. X plus 4 divided by x minus 2 minus x minus 2 by x plus 4 equals to 0. Again we have the denominators. So first of all we will remove the denominator by multiplying each and every term of equation by x into x minus 2. When we will multiply every term, x minus 2 will be cancelled here x will be cancelled by x, and here 4x into x minus 2 equals to 0. So we will multiply x with x plus 4, and these are the similar values, so take the square, and this 4x into x minus 2. Yes, my dear students, x into x is equals to x square plus 4x minus x square minus 4x plus 4, a square minus 2ab plus b square, according to this formula, plus 4x into x, 4x square, 4 2s are 8 minus 8x is equals to 0. We will remove the bracket and change the sign because there is a negative sign before the bracket. So it will become x square plus 4x minus x square minus plus 4x minus 4 plus 4x square minus 8x is equals to 0. Plus x square and minus x square will be cancelled, and now we have, first we will arrange, write the value of the square. This will be 4x square first. 4x plus 4x is equals to 8x plus 8x, and here is also minus 8x also present, so we will write minus 8x and minus 4 as it is. Okay, and now my dear students, plus 8x will be cancelled by minus 8x, so we will get 4x square minus 4. We will divide the equation by 4, we can get x square minus 1, and you can see that there is no value of the b, so this is the pure quadratic form. Okay, my dear students, I hope so that you can see it easily.